Hi, I'm Kelly. Do you know that Botox can be used to treat many dental problems? Here are some of the dental conditions that administering Botox can be very helpful. People who grind their teeth usually suffer from lower jaw and muscle pain, headaches, and damages to their teeth. This dental condition is called TMJ. Administering Botox on both sides of the mouth can help in relaxing the lower jaw muscles and minimizing the side effects of grinding and TMJ. Some people show too much gums when they smile. We call this gummy smiles. When our dentists administer Botox to the upper lip, it will relax the muscles of the lip and cause it to drop down and cover this gummy smile. This will create a more beautiful smile with less gum showing. If you have a collapsed chin because you have missing teeth or collapsed bite, then you will benefit from Botox administration to your chin. Botox injections into the chin can be helpful in restoring the chin muscles and removing wrinkles that cause the collapsed chin. The procedure of administering Botox is very simple and can be done within 15 minutes with little or no discomfort. Please give us a call if you'd like to know more about Botox and how it can be used to help you in your dental condition.